Ebyona bitandikire abashomireho Bugamba Sec School obakwatanise nabeje barukwemuruka obebembirimo band erugire omburebezi bwankole nabwanyuma bagalukira hishomero lya Bugamba Sec School aho mukoro gukorirwe ombutongore abakuru ku rugombi Obwegyese abanyabutegeki n'abandi benje tubabuziro.
Ladies and gentlemen, the gospel you have been waiting for is here.
Kunashira munashange manzi cyumuro ya Robert yarishire mu mushawwe ne manzi akatsagisha miro rya jumire ya bijumura abana kazi konka gatabana bakanya ko mata kwenjura kubabara no kuretse byoma bya Karimagezi.
Extraordinary person, right from an ordinary place, ordinary home, but God is not limited, not even by space, to make you an extraordinary person that you can never imagine.
Ebyona bebembiremo abo abashomireho Bugamba Sec School.
We are constructing your dormitory, Akura, the one of girls. The OBs contributed 19 million shillings. They renovated the upper block. The upper block, boys, Nairobi, and all that, the floor. When we were buying our generator, at a cost of about 27 million by end of it all, these people contributed 10 million.
Abokushangango bakine kizibo cha computer abayekozira mu murimo.
Bugamba, which is my school. This is my school. Bugamba ketarabiyeho itwe tukabanza kushomera gayi.
Ambizize na computer emwe ngareke nyonjere computer emwe ndizo.
Nyewaha computer nizaka bahe mtwaro 30.
Twagaruka aho murembo rwa Mbarara ayishomero ya Mbarara High School erizoba bagira empaka zogamba all China Omkorogo omjenyi mkuru yabal ambassador wa China Uganda wabashenishizibweho abandi bebembezi.
The best wishes also go to the 17 single competitors who have made it to the finals.
Toto janjan waranda nisai nali.
We thank the Board of Governors of Mbarara High School for supporting the initiative of teaching Chinese language at the Mbarara High School. Without their endorsement, Your Excellency, we would never have started teaching Chinese language and culture, and possibly we would be missing this and many others.
Uganda is a country with a rich heritage. I mean with the heritage of food, diversity in languages, dressing, singing, and lastly, tourism.
Our TV West ndisenyomo Gideon Ombrembar.